Showing on the video, dad.
We just bought it, guys. I guess we just bought it. Que rollo con el poema, Majority Tweakers. Welcome back to another vlog. So today we're gonna be staying busy again, but that's good, guys, because that's how we keep these vlogs interesting. What I have planned today, guys, is first of all we're gonna be dropping off my truck, the giveaway truck, to a painter that's gonna be fixing the dent. I know so many of you guys were asking if we're giving away the truck with the dent and a couple of other things that needed to be painted, for example like the bumper, the grill. We're gonna be dropping it off, making sure that gets painted before the giveaway gets closer to ending. And then after that, guys, what we have planned hopefully is maybe go checking out a new truck, a new project, something older, but hopefully we'll be turning it into a badass truck. Yeah, so for now let's just go drop off my truck, and then after that we'll continue, and then hopefully we go check out the new truck, and hopefully we bring it home. So let's go. All right, guys, so I think I messed up one of my rims on the freeway. I'm not too sure. I feel like I dented it super bad, or I have a flat tire, because if I go fast I can hear something vibrate. I think it's this rim. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Sound good, and then the truck feels weird. It's tilting to the right, so I feel like something is definitely messed up. So I'm just going slow. I'm a minute away, half a mile away, so I don't want to pull over. If it's messed up, then I guess we're just gonna finish messing it up. Guess we'll just have to wait and see when we get there. What's up?
Oh.
How you doing? I think I messed up one of my rims and I'm scared to look at it. Fuck. Is that a flat or is that a...
I think that's the probably the air came off from the dent. It probably hit the dent again.
So check it out, guys. I knew something was... I was hearing something, but like I said, I don't want to pull over. So let's just... Or did I pop the tire? So I don't know if the tires pop or if there's a big dent in there. We'll see what we do right now. We just got here. I think this is the name of the shop, Monterrey Park Auto Collision, and they're just checking it out. They're looking at the damage. This is the damage from where I got hit at the show, and then we're also talking about painting the front end.
I feel like time is flying right now.
You see, like all this, the black's peeling off. Look at all those rock chips. This is the worst part. But yeah, all that's gonna get fixed by the shop right here. So yeah, basically Danny and the guy just worked out the deal. We're gonna go ahead and get that fixed. It shouldn't take too long. He said a couple of days. It should be ready by next week. That's the good thing. And yeah, guys, shout out to Danny for actually making the truck look A1 for the winter. We'll show you guys the truck when it's finished. Guys, this is gonna be my Uber home. This is one of Danny's personal trucks. It's bagged as well and it has a whole bunch of upgrades. I think it's like supercharged or pro charged, something like that. I don't remember off the top of my head. This is the truck that was wrapped Kobe. I don't know if you guys remember. But yeah, I'm gonna go home in style. It has an iPad in here. You guys just saw his pin.
Yep.
I think that's his pin too for his credit cards. Nah, just kidding. This is badass. After about 40 minutes, guys, Danny dropped us out. Badass truck, honestly. Alright, guys, so we're continuing the vlog. What we're about to go do right now is we're about to go to the indoor swap meet. I don't know if you guys saw my other vlog where I actually bought a Tejana and some boots. Well, they were white and I already messed up the boots because they're white the first time I wore them. Hey, I have another party today to go to, so I'm gonna buy another pair of boots. This time I'm gonna try to go with something darker, either brown or black, to keep them not so dirty, not so noticeable. So yeah, right now we're just gonna go in there. We're gonna shop around. If we see anything else we like, we might check it out. And yeah, so let's go shop.
The same ones.
Yeah. I said, what are you on this spot? ¿Como un size 9?
¿Ese?
Sí. Subscribe. ¿En café oscuro? Fuck, they don't have our size, guys. Last time we were supposed to get them as well, they didn't have my size. So, we're maybe gonna go with brown. And it has to be square toe because I cannot do this. This test fit. Don't mind my socks, they probably have holes. Imagine, bah! It's gonna look funny right now, cause ¿No sabes si tiene 8.5 en el otro negro? Okay. Yeah, guys, I think these are good. They feel kind of loose, but I think it's because I have a loose sock. They look alright, huh? I'm trying to figure out my size again. I always forget. I think I'm retarded.
Alright.
It's 8.5?
¿Cómo está? ¿Cómo lo sientes?
Lo siento bien, nomás que el calcetín está como... está bien este size.
¿Te llevas este?
Sí.
Okay.
So I think we're 8.5. Well, I'm a 9 in shoes, but he don't have a 9, so 8.5 still felt pretty good. So I'm just gonna take the 8.5.
Like the exact same thing or different?
So now we need a new pair of pants, so we're gonna go shop for some Levi's. I might even have some here, to be honest. Hey, look at this. It's Modelo time. Oh look. 501s, 42. So we found our pants. Well, just in case you guys want to buy me a pair. My size is, I have a small waist, I'm a 30 by 32. Found it. Bingo. Waist 30, length 32. I'm a skinny, but I'm a giraffe.
65?
It's party time, baby. Should we run? Can I buy these? I was about to steal them when you called me. Hi, can I get these?
Yeah, sure. Only one?
Yes.
Get one more.
Give them more? No money.
No money?
No money.
Okay. $1, okay?
Cambia.
Okay.
This one and this one. Cambio.
Decline maybe. No money. It's my bodyguard.
Got it. Here
Perfect.
you go.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Okay.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Does he smile?
What's up? Huh? Where you at? Alright guys, so we accidentally forgot to turn on the mic right here, but basically all I was saying is that I bought a pair of boots, I bought a pair of jeans, and that was it. And then another thing is I wanted you guys to check out my boy Richondo's truck. And the reason that we were at my boy's house was because he actually bought a trailer in Texas. And the new truck that we were going to go look at, I think the owner said that the transmission or the differential, either or, were blown out. It was better if we found a tow truck, so I hit up my boy Richondo because now he does trailering as well. And he said, let's go pick it up, no worries. Alright guys, so we're arriving where the truck is at, here in the city of Garden Grove. And I hate this new time change. It already looks dark. And I wanted it to be like daylight still so you guys can see the truck. But I think we should still be good. We got here right when the sun is starting to drop. And we're having a hard time finding exactly where the truck is at because he lives at like some complex. But yeah, once we find it, we'll tune back on.
Oh, I see it, bitch. Don't look, don't look, don't look.
You see it?
Don't look, bitch. Don't look, I see it.
Nah.
I swear.
Sir. Oh.
Don't look, don't look.
Found it. Swear.
Don't look, don't look.
I'm not looking. I guess it's a surprise. Where is it? To my left or to my right?
Don't look to me. Don't look at me.
Oh, it's right there?
It's right there.
That shit's not gonna make it up the trailer, bitch.
Nah?
Oh, no. Oh, yeah, the
Come on,
airbags,
go,
no?
get off. No?
Oh, no, mommy.
Get off. What up, bro?
What's up?
Hey,
Your name?
Rich.
Jerry.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, you do?
This is for him.
Oh yeah, guys, so check it out. I guess he probably watches the vlogs.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's a truck, bro. I put on the stuff into it already. The flip kit, the 3-inch blocks, the step notch, and what's it called? I mean the front.
The 3-inch?
Yeah.
Okay.
With the springs and the what's it called? The street performance shocks.
What are they? Yeah, I saw the post said it gets stuck at one sometimes, or what
At
is it?
times, but like that's because where the drive shaft, the output seal is
So
it's no good.
So that's like the drive shaft. That's something that has to do with the drive shaft.
Not the drive shaft. It's just the
Just take it
seal.
out?
The seal is leaking from the seal. I have the part right there. You just gotta install it once you do the diff.
Who knows? But it's still, sometimes it drives and sometimes it doesn't. You said?
No, it drives.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh no. Did we pop the hood on it?
Yeah.
This might be our new Yonke. This might be our new Lamina.
No, come on, cool.
Can you turn it on real quick?
Yeah.
You can hear it.
What do you think, mechanic?
Test drive this shit.
Like, can we take it for a test drive? Yeah? Or you don't think so? Okay, I'll put on it.
I don't know, to be honest, because I haven't driven it in a while. I'm just letting it stay right here for now because I don't have the money to keep putting more work into it. So I'm just
Just a cat one that we'll just push it or something.
I'll just take the trailer to wherever you're at. No me todo así hasta los Legos. What do you think?
I think it's the Chinese guy.
Yeah?
Good, Peter.
It's been leaking, that's why I had all that. But.
Yeah, because the frame in the front doesn't on.
I already have shark relocation too.
See, camel cut?
Yeah.
My black one does. Yeah, just kidding. Then let's do it. Yeah.
Doing on the video, dog.
We just bought it, guys. I guess we just bought it.
Damn, when it's Jerry's truck, but I'm still changing the wheel. You sure you don't want to give me this truck?
And how is it with tags? I didn't even ask them.
Yeah, we paid them already.
They paid?
Paid 1,000.
Why they were behind or what?
A lot. For like a year, I think, 2 years.
she said. Oh, that's what he said. You have a cup?
Right there.
Sí, ahorita, si no se puede ahorita, pues.
He's on the thing. He's on the thing. It's stuck on the frame right here, though.
Huh?
Aquí es donde está atorado en el frame, ¿no? No, but it doesn't scrape it. Fool, es lo más.
So you know what we do? Lift it right here.
Hey, let me see it. Hey, stay back. Hey, stay back. I'll keep it on right now.
Go!
Hey, do it.
You're gonna go forward now. You're gonna
It's on the frame. It's on the
See, that's where we get stuck on the frame right here.
No, he has to drive harder. And
Yeah, está tapping on the frame.
But what is he trying to do? Oh.
Why? Why didn't you think of this since the beginning? You better remove that front modified bang, man.
I'm pissed about that.
That just straightens out. Because you didn't increase it. You just it's a dead blow. The black one, I have to my hammer down.
Hey, nothing's happening.
Nah.
I swear, nothing's happening.
Let me see.
Keep on doing it. Then.
Who was on it?
You guys can't try and push it?
No, it's good. If you keep it, you're still at an angle where you're gonna hit that side. Fool. You gotta straighten out.
Alright, so push it.
Yeah.
Go back, just go back.
One. Go.
Everybody has to.
Alright, go. One.
Turn more to the left.
No,
He's on the frame.
no, he's on the brake.
Go back now.
Go back?
Go back, but put the wheel the other way. Like that. Go back like that. Go.
Yeah, perfect.
Go. Okay. Now put it straight again.
Yeah, you
Like that. You're gonna give it as much gas as you can.
You gonna push?
Alright?
You're gonna push?
Count of three.
Look.
1, 2, 3.
Hey, we made it more up. We made it more up.
But why is he hitting now?
No, it's the tire. It's not.
Oh.
It's not touching.
Hold it with your hand.
The goop, step on the
It's hitting? Where?
We're almost there.
The frame?
Hey, but
Alright, go back a little bit. Hey, go back very little, and then you're gonna give it that push again.
I ain't trying to be in right at all.
Okay. On the count of 3, we're gonna go forward.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Go forward.
Go back again, a little bit more. Let it go back. Yeah? You had it on reverse?
No pitch.
Okay, on the count of 3.
Right there.
On the count of 3, we're gonna go forward. 1, 2, 3.
Bad.
Hey, fucking guy, why are you making that noise? Come on, jump on it. Go.
Güey, ya sabemos que
Hey,
la
go
troca sí
back,
sabe,
go
ya
back.
hubieras llegado.
Go back again?
More
Back
shit,
again?
yeah. What you gonna do?
Huh? Yeah.
Fucking perro.
What was that?
Red. At least you got camera.
Forward stuck still.
He's gonna pop the tire like that.
What else on?
Go. Fucking go all the way out, all the way out, all the way out.
Fast.
Go, fool. He stopped. Ya se atoró, güey.
Go. Alright guys, so check it out. No quiso subir la pinche troca, so no nos queda de otra, pero to drive it with the messed up tranny. And look at it, parece un pinche roller coaster. Le vamos a poner la Bouncy Betty. Look at Tum Tum bounce right. Look at this.
What the fuck?
No, for real. No. It's only sunshine when it gets bumpy. As soon as we turn on the camera, it doesn't want to hop no more. Oh, there it goes. La Bouncing Betty at its finest.
We're not even going fast.
We're not even going fast. We're going 30. I live 30 miles away, so we'll be home in an hour.
Wow, fool.
Oh. You wish that was a beer instead of a water?
This is a badass party you're taking me to.
We're gonna pull up to the party in style, viejo. And la mamá whiskeys.
And I'm bouncing, man.
Y pues no trae estéreo, so nomás vamos cantando. Arre. Somos los que somos. Alright guys, so check it out. Today's the next. I forgot to close out the vlog yesterday, but we actually ended up denting the hood right here. I think when we were trying to push it up, but it's okay guys because we're actually going to be getting a custom cow hood on it, so that's not a big deal. And we actually ended up despegando the lower valance a little bit as well. Yeah guys, no biggie. The good part is that the truck's already home. As you guys saw, we actually ended up driving it all the way here. It drove shitty, but it still made it, which is the good part. But yeah, stay tuned guys on this new build. Let me know what you guys think guys. Are you guys excited? I'm super excited. It was about time that we got started with the SS build. If you guys are excited for the new build, make sure you guys smash the like button and comment down what you guys think about the new truck. If you're new to my channel, become a Tweek today by subscribing, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.